Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Non-consensual towing, that's what we do just about every day. That's just how it goes. Anyway, the shirt giveaway's doing real well. I've got one more video. I'll be doing the shirt giveaways, including, well, not including this one. I got two more including this one. If you missed the shirt giveaway, don't worry about it. I'll be doing all types of giveaways from here on out. So if you ain't hit the notification bell and ain't subscribed, don't forget to hit that button. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and drop another video. Peace. Hey there, the tow trucker, we're back. Looks like this car has been sitting. Front bumpers inside the car. Looks like they did update the tag. Does not match that sticker. That sticker don't match the tag, man. That sticker goes on a different vehicle. So we're gonna be loading this one up here in a minute. I will be putting this one on the wheel lift. Anyway, long story short, this property here is they gave these residents, I think, since the 27th. Today's the 3rd. They've given them, I don't know, basically a week to contact the office. Anyway, I'm gonna go out here and hook up this, we got that one loaded up fairly easy. Gonna ride down here and hook that that Ford Focus with the wrong sticker. That's just the kind of cars that they don't want on the property. So it's gonna get hooked up. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody don't run out. Ma'am?
This is my car. Would
Yeah.
it help if I move? Would that help?
Well, that truck's in the way. That's the reason I can't get it. This one's sticking out further. I think I can get it. I may pop it open and roll it forward.
Okay.
It's
if
being
you need me to move my car, I'm up here on the 2nd floor of that apartment.
Hey,
Okay?
thank you very much.
509.
I appreciate you very much. Anyway, we got that broke down car. Yeah. I'm not going nowhere. I gotta talk to the office, but one second. I gotta sign these tickets out, man.
That's my car. I was about to put it inside my what's the name today.
Oh.
Is it the reason why you told me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's inoperable, man. The office wanted one of these cars towed. All you had to do was call the office, man.
They never put nothing on my car.
Okay, well.
Let me call my wife so she can call the office. You ain't going nowhere, right?
I gotta sign it out, man. I mean, I have to sign it out, but
right.
But listen, hey, this tag right here. We got everything. We got pictures, everything, man.
Correct.
Okay, what I'm saying,
They
it
told
was
me to put that
sticker.
on there. I got the what's the name and the what's the name.
Yeah,
Hello?
I understand, but it's inoperable, man. It's broke down. It's broke down. You know
Yeah,
what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be.
I got a garage for it.
Well, you should have put it in that garage when they put that sticker on it, man. Cause hey,
Sticker? I don't see a sticker.
Man, it was stickered, man. It
Where's
was.
the sticker at?
It was stickered. Let's see, silver Focus. You know, gray Focus. RRH, man, on the tag. RRH, man. That's the same car. That's the same everything. Hey, that sticker right there don't match. Don't match the tag either.
Right.
I mean, it's towed. It's hooked, man. Hey, it's inoperable. As far as me doing a payout, I mean, if you have a garage, that's a possibility.
I have a garage right here.
Well, that's the thing. You can't move it. There's no way to move it.
What do you mean?
How you gonna get in the garage, man?
It starts and everything.
Well, that front wheel, man, will
I
it
know
roll?
the
I
front
mean,
wheel's big, but
listen, I tell you what you can do. Listen, the office, I mean, you got a garage, man. I wish you'd have put it in the garage,
Yeah,
man.
I was going to do it today. Actually, I was going to do it today.
Throw it in there, because they stickered them on the 27th, like 5 days ago. It would have saved you that, especially if you got a garage, man.
I have a garage.
Like I said, you being you have a garage,
Yeah, I drove in
I
here.
can. I said I could probably do a release on property but it's gonna be up to the office whether or not I leave it on property. But hey, because if I leave it on property, when it don't wind up in the garage.
You just take it right over here and I just take it and bring it back to the garage and I throw you something.
Well, it's a payout, man. If I take it, it's a payout's $100 on property. I'm gonna write it up real quick. Like I say, if you didn't have a garage, there's no way I could leave it. But
yeah,
being,
I got a whole garage.
But see, being you got a garage.
I told my wife to call them and let them know that the car's gonna be there for a couple more days until I get into the garage. I'm taking it up here to Pet Boys, and they're gonna do everything. I got all the shit. I can show it to you.
I got you.
I got the doors inside my garage. I got
you. I got you.
All right, so I'm gonna call up there. Right
now. Call up there. I'm gonna ride down there closer to the office. I'm not gonna leave. I ain't gonna run off. I'm gonna go sign them out,
and we'll let. Number just in case you.
Yeah, here you go. What's your number? 809.
If you took it to your shop.
Hey, where's your garage? Oh, it's 175. We take it all the way over there.
Yeah, that shit crazy.
Listen, if you got a garage,
you show with a car.
You paid for a garage, yeah. On which garage number is yours?
I think it's 5 or 6. It's a look. So when you picked up my car from 1, 2, 3, the 4th one right there.
Don't we end the 4th one going that way?
Yeah, going that way.
Okay, I know which one that is.
You'll see.
Hey, I'll call you if she says drop it. I'm gonna tell you to come pay me 100 and put it by the garage. Anyway, I just pulled out of the office right here. The office is gonna allow this man to pay the drop fee and keep his car on property only because he's got a garage. If he didn't have if he wasn't renting a garage, he'd be going to the lot and. Anyway, we finally got that car dropped off in right by his garage. But he's a nice guy. He just gotta respond to them stickers. So if you want to call, you can call and pay him with a card, and it'll be handled. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing what I'm doing with this car.
Okay.
And I'll pull it out straight because it's in a hard angle.
Yes.
That I can pull up and drop yours.
Okay. Thank you.
Just call them and pay it. Anyway, the young lady with the Honda that I got on the back, she showed up, so I gotta do a release on hers. She's got the option to pay it out, and I have to give her that option. So I'm taking it back to her building right now. Every now and again, good people get hooked. She's a really nice lady, and she wasn't even mad. She just wants to pay it out. Yeah, I just need your signature. Yeah, I've got the payment and everything.
Okay.
I've got it all, and we'll set it down right here. It does run, obviously. It runs, don't it?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome.
I just was really behind on my tag, which I was going to get this week.
I know it's the same thing.
If you come out 30 minutes earlier, I would have seen you.
Just talk to them. They're really nice, especially the people that run the office right now. They're really nice. Yeah. If you call them, they will not tell you, as long as they know whose car it is.
I didn't know.
Yep.
I wish I would have done that. But
anyway, let me just roll it down.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you two, you have a good one. She said that she knew she was behind on her tag, and she just didn't get it. Anyway, I'm gonna roll down to my next pickup. I'm gonna try to come back and pick up this Lexus and put it on the wheel lift if I can. Be nice to wheel lift that one. Everybody's been asking me about guns. And yes, I've had guns pulled on me doing this. Steven had one pulled on him last Friday. But I've had guns pointed at me twice, walked up pointing the gun at me twice, and I've had them walk up with guns in their hands probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. They've actually walked up and had guns, in their waistband, and they were holding the guns like they were gonna, like they were threatening to use it. It does happen. Some questions in the comments asked me if I've had people jump on the back of the truck. Yes, I've had people jump on the back of the truck. I've had people drag the cable, get their chains loose, and drive off the side of the truck. I've been chased numerous times. I've almost been run over numerous times doing this. These people, we ain't had one on video yet, but you'll see. You will see that they do get crazy at times. I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings about how I do it. It's gonna hurt people's feelings anyway. So I go out of my way to not hurt people's feelings, and it keeps confrontations from going south real quick. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and load up this Lexus and get it out of here. I've been on property way too long.